Welcome to wonderful Los Gatos, a town of relaxation and luxury, just minutes away from downtown San Jose. Los Gatos is a perfect place for fine dining, shopping, and enjoying the sights, such as tranquil Lake Vasona Park with its many trails and activities surrounding the water. Just around the corner from Lake Vasona is 16516 Shannon Road. This home has been completely remodeled from the ground up, and it shows like a model. The house sits in a private seclusion from the street, and the beautiful gardening, as well as the paver stone walkway, invites you to the entrance. Speaking of the entrance, it features a handcrafted marble stoop and a $10,000 heavy oak door. This opens into an incredible foyer and a bright open floor plan. The special touches can be seen everywhere, such as in the wrought iron staircase and the molded travertine stairs, especially the archways that lead you from room to room. The living and dining rooms show off the beautiful cherry wood floors that glimmer from the sunlight. Notice the trim around the rooms and even the elegance of this fireplace mantel. The dining room shows off a unique chandelier and offers easy passageway to the gourmet kitchen. This kitchen has the most delightful touches. It features a walk-in pantry, a desk with a wine rack, granite countertops with detailed beveled edging, beautiful backsplash tile work, and all top-of-the-line appliances, including the 6-burner gas stove and the built-in stainless steel refrigerator. The alderwood cabinets match perfectly with the travertine floors and the decorative Italian lights. This kitchen is perfect for entertaining and flows into the family room area as well as the cute dining nook. The family room has built-in shelving for an entertainment center and continues with the elegance theme with the surround of this fireplace and cherry wood floors. Off to the side is a laundry area with a built-in sink and cabinetry for your storage needs. Leading back to the front hall is a built-in wet bar with a wine-cooling refrigerator, and guess what? More designer touches, including this unique sink and the stemware display case. Close by is this full bath, which contains a beautiful tile-laid shower. This bath can be used by this ground floor bedroom, which is perfect for your in-laws or guests, since it has its own entrance from the front of the house. Heading to the second floor, we reach a loft with plenty of space for an office or playroom. There are 3 bedrooms upstairs, all of them with their own bathrooms and extra large closets. Here is the master suite, which is large and comfortable with a view over the backyard. There are 2 walk-in closets here. One for her and one for him. A small reading area greets you to the bathroom and adds another dimension to the master bedroom. The master bath features granite countertops, cherry wood cabinets, and a lovely tiled floor that flows into a surround for your large jetted tub. This glass-enclosed shower has a rain spout shower head. The backyard offers plenty of room and more beautiful landscaping with built-in sprinklers and lights. Touches of sophistication, such as the transition from pavers to granite tile, continue the theme of this house. Are you ready to move into luxury? Make your next move into 16516 Shannon Road in Los Gatos, California. For more information on this property, contact Mark Von Kaenel with Von Kaenel & Associates, 408-356-8009.
The Last Cut, specializing in real estate video, corporate video, family memories, weddings, and events. Contact us at www.lastcut.com or call us at 408-515-7246.